What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quick video unboxing my first ever kind of bike equipment, brand new bike workshop stand. There you go. I'm opening up, assembling it today. Thought I'd put it on video. And I got this from Princess Auto a while back, a few weeks back. Shout out to our friend Mark, our fellow fat rider, who told me and informed me about it. So it was on sale. It was $59.99 I believe, and then when I get to the counter it came up to less than that too. It's $49.99, so it's a great deal. So let's go take a look. I'll open it up. So excuse my background here. I'm just in front of my garage and it's still a mess. Spring cleaning's on the way, so soon. So pretty excited about this because it's brand new. I rarely buy brand new stuff. One of these days I'm going to show you all my kind of mountain bike equipment stuff, and they're all kind of secondhand, and I barely buy new stuff. Alright, so that is the Fabuland bike work stand. Came with instructions here. There. That's the work tray. Alright, all assembled. Let's go and test it. Alright. Pretty sturdy, still adjustable. The grip, not shaky. I'm happy. Look at that. The tray can spin. Put your tools there. The height can still be adjusted over there. I just put it a little bit lower, well, the lowest right now, just because I don't want to drop it, just in case I didn't assemble it right. But good grip, very nice. There you go. Now I can do some repairs if I want to. Maintenance, even washing. Pretty stable, sturdy. Right there. Cool. So that's it for now. Thanks for joining me for this quick video. Time to test it out. Probably do some cleaning on my bike, a little bit of maintenance. So until next time, see ya.